Hey everyone! In this video I'm sharing a small Unity game called Flappy Cube. The gameplay is similar to Flappy Bird, except the character is made of cube objects, basically a little cube bird. It's a great asset for Unity beginners who want something simple to study and customize. Main features of this asset: 1. A complete, ready-to-use game template. 2. Easy to modify, the project is organized so you can customize and extend it however you like. 3. Includes everything used in the game: scripts, UI, sound effects, and visual effects. 4. Well-commented code to help you learn and understand how it works. 5. Ready to build and publish to iOS and Android. 6. Supports URP, Universal Render Pipeline. It can also be imported into other render pipelines, usually just material adjustments are needed. I've added the purchase/download link in the video description and pinned comment, hope it helps. Creating takes time, so if you found this useful please give the video a like and subscribe. I'll be sharing more fun game assets soon. Thanks for watching, see you next time.